Menteri Rangba ka Jalau Conrad ke Sangma menta ka sengi ula ong baka sorkar menta ka Pynsangeh lut ya ka Jingleit Barri Naduh pa Menteri Rangba du kari Narendra Modi ula penbing ya ka jingpen bena. Habakren bekilat patai Khubor Menteri Rangba ulai thu begitu ki balet Jingleit Shabari ki dei betang kitu ki beladap banyo jingbet Naduh shwa ban penmi ka jingpen bena.
So, number one, the trips that were cleared politically as well as financially before the Prime Minister's announcement, those programs went through because, as you know, programs take about 3 months, 4 months, sometimes 6 months to prepare. So these are programs that were already there in the pipeline, and hence some of the teams are outside and they have gone because the process was done, the bookings were made, the expenditures were incurred, and as I said, this political clearances were given by centre also, and this process happened. So post Prime Minister's announcement, any new proposals that are coming in for any kind of a trip outside are not being entertained, and in fact I have personally put on hold every single trip outside, and though we have not come out with any notification, but I'm very clear that we have to go as per Prime Minister's direction, and this is in the larger interest, as I said, of the nation, and therefore we have, as I said, I have stopped all the foreign trips in the past post Prime Minister's announcement. The ones before that, as I said, have been cleared, so those obviously went through because already the process was already finalized. But after his announcement, any new proposal that has come for any kind of a foreign trip has been put on hold. It's been prepared for the last 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, way before Honorable Prime Minister has thing. The bookings have been made during that time. The political clearances have been taken from Government of India. The necessary arrangements on the other side to discuss with the governments concerned from there have been taken. So those trips were already cleared before Prime Minister gave that announcement. But after he gave the announcement and he has asked states not to send delegations, we have not cleared anyone. So I have received about close to 7-8 new proposals for all of them have been put on hold.